Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring 100 grams or 1 cup of chocolate for this recipe. Chop the chocolate into even pieces for consistent melting and faster results. Place the pieces in a clean, dry, microwave-safe bowl to prevent seizing from moisture. If you want silkier melted chocolate, measure and add 1/2 teaspoons of neutral oil, such as vegetable oil. Stir the chocolate briefly to distribute the oil before heating. Keep all tools dry and ready to use after melting finishes to avoid clumps. Set your microwave to medium power for more controlled heating and less risk. Heat the bowl for 30 seconds on medium power, then remove and stir gently with a silicone spatula. Return to the microwave in 15-second intervals, stirring between each interval to disperse heat evenly. Watch for the chocolate to become mostly melted with a few soft pieces remaining to finish by stirring. Stop microwaving before it is completely liquid to prevent overheating. Continue stirring off heat until the chocolate becomes smooth and glossy. Use the melted chocolate while it is warm for best coating and drizzling results. For simple dipping, keep the chocolate between 88 and 92 degrees Fahrenheit for a smooth flow. If you need tempered chocolate for firm snaps and a glossy finish, cool it to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, then gently rewarm to 88 degrees. Work quickly when dipping fruits, cookies, or molds to prevent bloom and streaks. Store any leftover melted chocolate in a warm bowl and reheat in 10-second bursts if it starts to thicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.